In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the lower control arm kit for the Chevrolet Cruze 2014. The lower control arm kit. Right front lower control arm. Left front lower control arm. A transmission jack is used to assist with installation. The following are the tools used for replacing the lower control arm kit. Large torque wrench. Extendable ratcheting wrench. Large electric impact wrench. Large 19mm long socket. Large 18mm long socket. Large 15mm long socket. Medium 8mm short socket. Adapter. Trim panel. 18mm wrench. 15mm wrench. 13mm wrench. Using the 19mm long socket with the extendable ratcheting wrench, loose the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the 19mm long socket with the electric impact wrench, remove the lug nut. Remove the wheel. Using the clip pry tool, remove the two retaining clips from the front splash shield on the lower control arm. Using the electric impact wrench with the adapter and 8mm short socket, remove the two splash shield retaining bolts. Remove the front splash shield. Using the clip pry tool, disconnect the ABS wheel speed sensor harness from the lower control arm. Using the 15mm wrench with the 15mm long socket and electric impact wrench, remove the lower control arm ball joint to knuckle retaining bolt. Remove the nut. Remove the bolt. Using the 18mm wrench with the 18mm long socket and electric impact wrench, remove the front lower control arm bushing retaining bolt. Remove the bolt. Using the 15mm wrench, loosen the lower control arm to rear bushing retaining bolt, which makes it easier to remove the control arm. Using the 18mm long socket with the electric impact wrench and 18mm wrench, remove the rear lower control arm bushing retaining bolt. Use the 18mm wrench to secure the upper nut on the bolts, which is directly above the bushing. Using the electric impact wrench, remove the bolt. Remove the other bolt. Separate the ball joint from the knuckle. Remove the lower control arm. Here's the comparison of old versus new lower control arm. The old control arm had excessive play in the ball joint causing noise, so we are replacing it with a new one. Before installing the lower control arm, first, install the rear bushing, then position the front bushing. Install the ball joint into the knuckle. Install the front lower control arm bushing retaining bolt. Install the nut. Install the rear lower control arm bushing bolts. Install the bolts. Install the upper nuts on the bolts. Install the other nut. Install the lower control arm ball joint to knuckle retaining bolt. Install the nut. Using the 18mm wrench with the 18mm long socket and electric impact wrench, tighten the rear lower control arm bushing retaining bolts. Use the wrench to secure the upper nut. Use the electric impact wrench to tighten the bolts. Tighten the other bolt. Using the torque wrench with the 18mm long socket, torque the rear lower control arm bushing retaining bolts. Torque specific 120 Nm, 89 foot-pounds. Using the 15mm wrench with the 15mm long socket, an electric impact wrench, tighten the lower control arm ball joint to knuckle retaining bolt. Using the 15mm wrench with the 15mm long socket and torque wrench, torque the lower control arm ball joint to knuckle retaining bolt. Torque specific 50 Nm, 37 foot-pounds. Using the transmission jack, support the lower control arm to load the suspension. Using the 18mm wrench with the 18mm long socket and torque wrench, torque the front lower control arm bushing retaining bolt. Torque specific 120 Nm, 89 foot-pounds. The front bushing needs to be torqued with the suspension loaded. Use the transmission jack to support it. Using the 13mm wrench, tighten the lower control arm to rear bushing retaining bolt. Lower the transmission jack. Install the ABS wheel speed sensor harness. Route it along the control arm. Install the front splash shield under the control arm. Install the retaining clips. Using the electric impact wrench with the adapter and 8mm short socket, install the front splash shield retaining bolts. Install the wheel. Using the electric impact wrench with the 19mm long socket, snug the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Using the 19mm long socket with the torque wrench, torque the lug nuts. Torque specific 150 Nm, 111 foot-pounds. The replacement process for the left side lower control arm is the same as the right side.